I would really love to see interest rates come down. Of course, everybody's going to say that, but that's not to say that where we're at isn't a good place. Rates are still good. The problem that we're running into is that with the rates where they're at and with house prices at all-time highs, it makes it very, very difficult for new home buyers to break into the market, to get into and buy a house at a monthly rate that makes sense compared to what the rental market is. And so we haven't really seen much of difference in price points on the rents. Some rents have gone up a little bit for the most part, but they haven't gone up nearly as quickly as what the prices of homes have. And so you start to get into that little bit of a gray area for buyers. And it's always kind of been that way. People, sometimes it makes sense to purchase a home over renting because you're building equity in the property. If you're talking about a 600, 700, $800 difference a month between buying the house or renting the house, it's going to be difficult for a lot of first time homebuyers to qualify for that higher payment, to be a homeowner as opposed to being a tenant. And so I think once we can kind of start to get that number down on the monthly payments for the house, and now granted that's whether either purchase prices are coming down, or we're seeing interest rates coming down to help offset that. I think that will be really, really beneficial. Where that interest rate plays, I think the biggest role right now is in the number of listings that we're having, because we have so many people that locked into interest rates, 30-year rates at 2.815, at 3.5, at 4.25. That those people are, it's really hard to get them off the fence.